So let's start with our alphabet arc. First letter of the alphabet, A. Last letter of the alphabet, Z. Middle letter, M. Now create your rainbow alphabet arc. So let's go through the answers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Just check the direction of your sounds and make sure that they're all in the right order. So what sound are we doing today? Hive, dice, rice, knife, hive, dice, rice, knife, I. Now you might think that the I sound in these words is spelled like this, but let's just check that. So I have a hive, a dice, rice, knife. Now what do you notice? My I sound needs two letters. Needs the phoneme I, the phoneme E to make an I sound. But they're not together. They're split up. It's a split digraph. There is a consonant between them. We would call this the magic E. This changes the sound of my vowel in my word. So let's first of all create our card for the I sound. And I'm going to create it like this. That reminds me I need to put a consonant in the middle. And I am going to create a dice. So I remember. So let's practice. I, dice, I, dice. Let's understand a bit more about that spelling rule. So let me put some sounds together. F, I, fin. This I for I is a short sound. What happens when I add my magic E on? Fine. This changes from an I, fin, to an I, fine, a long sound. So I'm going to have these, but I'm going to separate them so I remember that there's a consonant there. Let's do some word reading. Mike. Mike has a capital letter because it's a name. Hike, size, rise, file, hide, mile, like, ride, time, bike, wise, pile, dime, lime, life, wife, wide, side, tide. Now we're going to do some I sounds with a split digraph and a magic E with consonants blends at the start. Bribe, glide, smile, slide, while, crime, prize, strike, tribe, chime, stride, pride, bride. Press pause now to practice reading these words. So let's practice writing the sound. So I have two letters that I need to practice. I have my I sound made up of I and E. So I'm going to start my I. I start at the top, I go down, flick, dot, I. And I have my, I'm going to leave a gap because there's a consonant that goes in the middle, and then I have my E. Go across, semicircle up, E, down and across, E. And together these make I. So let's practice writing those sounds. I. So I'm going to start my ear side at the top, I go down, flick, and dot. My semicircle, down and round. I'm going to join them together. I. Now I've joined these together. They're not actually joined together, so let me split them up. I. Now let's practice one of these words. I'm going to practice Mike because I want to practice my capital letter as well. That will help me get some extra practice in. Okay, so I have here Mike, 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 Mike. There is my consonant that makes it a long I. My spelling, Mike. Let's practice our sentences. Frank has a big smile on his face. The teacher set a time limit on the test. Mike will hike another mile and then rest. Both a lime and a lemon have a sour taste. An eagle can glide through the air on its wings. The sun will rise in the east and set in the west. Neil has a dime, a nickel and a penny in his pocket. Mike should ride his bike along the side of the road. The children like to play on the slide at the playground. I'm going to practice. I like this sentence because there's 3 of the I sounds in it and I have to remember all of them. Mike should ride his bike along the side of the road. Mike should ride his bike along the side of the road. Okay, so Mike should ride his bike along the side of the road. Mike should ride his bike along the side of the road. Okay, let's have a look. Mike should ride his bike along the side of the road. Good. Practice your sentences now.